Diwali, the festival of lights, begins with the first rays of dawn across Tamil Nadu. People start the day with an oil bath, wear new clothes, and prepare for a day filled with joy and togetherness. Every home shines with diyas and laughter as fireworks sparkle through the bright Tamil sky. Sweets are shared, hearts are warmed, and blessings are exchanged, spreading light beyond every doorstep. In Tamil Nadu, Deepavali is not just a festival, it's a feeling of unity, hope and love that lights every soul. Happy Deepavali from Tamil Nadu with love and light.